Want to create a pop-up in Elementor? In this video, I'll guide you step by step so you can build a custom pop-up for your WordPress website without any coding. Before we jump in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Start by opening your browser and logging into the backend of your WordPress site. From the left-hand menu, click on Templates and head over to Saved Templates. At the top, click on Add New Template. A pop-up will appear. Choose Popup as the template type and give it a name. Let's call it Popup. Then click Create Template. Elementor will now open up its editing panel and automatically take you to the template library. You can pick a pre-designed pop-up here by hovering over any template you like. Pick whichever suits your style, or just close the library to build your own from scratch. Since you are working on a pop-up box, when you close the library without selecting any template, you'll see a blank page where you're ready to create a pop-up from scratch. You can drag any widget from the left-hand side panel, for example, the heading widget, text editor, site logo, or even an image, since pop-ups sometimes include visuals. Once you've placed and customized all your widgets, go to the top right corner and click the Publish button. When you do that, a pop-up box will appear. Click on Add Condition. You'll see two fields. One is Include, and the other is Entire Site. Leave them as they are. On the left-hand panel of the pop-up settings, you'll notice three tabs. One of them is Triggers. This is where you define when your pop-up will be shown to your site visitors. Click on Triggers, and you'll see a few toggle options. For example, toggle on On-Page Load. This means your site will display the pop-up as soon as the page loads. You can even set a delay. I set mine to 3 seconds. Next, click on the Advanced Rules tab. There are several conditions here. For example, I selected Show up to X times and set it to 2 times. You can configure the rest based on your preferences. Once everything is set, click Publish, then return to the WordPress dashboard by clicking the hamburger icon on the top left corner of the page. After that, check your website, and you'll see the pop-up in action just the way you designed it, appearing after 2 seconds on page load. The design depends entirely on your preferences and brand requirements. I always use Elementor to create the site. If you're also curious and want to explore it yourself, the affiliate link below will take you right to it. I've been using it for a while now. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.